Learn and play guitar with Pauric Mather. You can do this.
In this video, we're going to show you how to strengthen your weaker third finger and also to eliminate waist movement between your chords so that they will automatically speed up. If you watch the way I'm changing here, this is D sus4, D, A, A7 sus4, C add 9, F add 6, E minor 7 back to G back to D. No waist movement whatsoever. We're going to look at this very closely. As always, if you're a beginner or new to learning guitar, struggling with chord changes, it's a good idea to pause the video now and place your capo on the first fret. You will find it much easier to learn your skills, and once you've mastered them, then you can remove the capo, and it's much easier than to do them on an open guitar. In a moment, we're going to look at all those chord changes again, but in a very different way. Can you copy me very carefully here by first of all placing your thumb lightly touching the 6th string 2nd fret. Can you make sure then you're maintaining your triangular space here as you bring your 3rd finger tip onto the middle of the 2nd string 3rd fret. And it has to be that precise, not the corner, not back here. It has to be the middle, and it has to be your fingertip. And you must maintain this triangular position. As you hold that position, I'm going to repeat the chord sequence I did at the start of this video. But watch it again, you will see that I am not going to move this space. I am not going to move that. And the thumb might move from the knuckle only a little on the E-type chords or the G-type chords, but that's all. Beyond that, this will not move. So please hold this hand position exactly and watch what I'm going to do now. D, D sus4, back to D, A sus4, A7 sus4, F6, C add 9, E minor, the thumb just tipping up a touch there, E minor 7, back to D. I'll just remove these fingers. I did not move this triangle, I did not move that finger, and that thumb only moved up a touch for the E-type chords. So you already have most of this. The next thing to do is to learn the chord sequence off by heart. Pause the video to make sure that you haven't just got the chord, but you also have this very good hand position, 3rd finger in place and thumb in place, because it's the changes you need. Everyone learns chords, but you need to work on the changes, and it's done by having a good hand position. And the better your hand is positioned, the easier it is going to be to change chords and play guitar.